This is a very important day for our state of Illinois. About a year or two ago, I signed an executive order with respect to our state employment, making sure that when we interview those who are applying for a job, that their qualifications and their skills are considered before anything about their record. That was an executive order dealing with public employment of the state, but we have to deal with the issue of private employment. Those who have committed an offense but served their time, paid their debt to society. When they come home, we want them to have a fair chance, a second chance, to get a job. All of us in our society, in every faith, we believe in redemption, the opportunity to turn a corner and do things in a proper way. And we want to make sure that when those who return to our society from wherever they might be incarcerated, that they come with an opportunity to get a job and turn their life around. And this is so important. This bill today is nicknamed Ban the Box. It makes sure that the qualifications and skills of everyone are considered first and foremost when it comes to getting a job. If we're going to fight violence, if we're going to make sure that we have a society that emphasizes opportunity and jobs and taking care of your family, this legislation I'm going to sign today is imperative to help everyone get an opportunity to get a job. The best way to fight crime is a job. And I think everybody here understands that. And I do want to salute some of our private employers who already voluntarily adopted this policy. A number of other states around the union have enacted this law already. We're catching up a little bit, but we understand in Illinois, we had a commission, a task force that we set up, and about a year ago, they recommended that this law be passed. And I want to thank the legislators who worked so hard in both the House and the Senate to make this day possible. It is something that I think we can show other states here in the Midwest that Illinois is leading the way when it comes to employment of those who are ex-offenders. It's very, very important, I think, for society, and especially here on the west side of Chicago and where I was last night on the south side of Chicago, that if we're going to work as a society, as a community, to make sure that those who have paid their debt to society, when they re-enter, have that fair opportunity to get employment so they can support themselves and their family, this is the best way to go. And a bipartisan commission recommended our bill today that is now going to become law in a minute or two.
A sense of belonging, knowing that I am a contributor. I'm not looking for a handout. I'm looking for an opportunity to move up. And so any person who's able to get a job, I guarantee you that the chances of their going back to prison or to jail or being convicted of a crime diminishes tremendously. Every entity in the community is a part of that coalition. They do an outstanding job. I talk about it and them all over the country. And so, again, I congratulate you, Representative Mayfield, for the outstanding work that you have done on this issue.